Hello friends and welcome back to the Recreation channel. So friends, today I will talk about GAMEMAX, leader to gaming chassis with light inspired design. So friend, GAMEMAX has announced leader to gaming PC case. The design based on the brand new mid-tower PC chassis featuring a bold line theme design featuring claw mark details on the mains and other parts, delivering both superior airflow and streaking aesthetics and designed for high-end gaming and workstation PC configuration. The GAMEMAX leader to offer extensive hardware support accommodating E-ATX motherboard including back connector motherboard like the Asus BTF Gigabyte Steel LMSI Project Zero, and the chassis support up to 495 mm long GPU RTX 50 series ready and up to 245 mm long ATX PSU and up to 185 mm tall air coolers and up to 420 mm radiator for unmatched versatility. The leader to support up to 9 into 120 mm and 8 into 140 mm fans including 4 pre-installed 140 mm ARGB PWM fans and ARGB PWM controller for enhanced airflow and vibrant lighting effect. For convenience and modern functionality, the GAMEMAX Reader 2 ready with Type-C Generation 2 port and USB 3.0 for high-speed connectivity, and it also boasts an innovative tool-free installation design making upgrade quick and effortless. Removable top and bottom dust filters simplify maintenance, ensuring cleaner system performance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.